You just woke up. Good morning, beautiful. You made it out of bed and you decided to begin your day by loving yourself. 10 minutes to balance your body with morning yoga. Your morning stretch today takes place on a beautiful beach in Southern California. Now remember, it's not just about the pose, and you don't have to be perfect. Hi, I'm Lesley Fightmaster. Let's begin sitting nice and tall. Take a long breath and bring your hands together. May you use your practice to create balance in your life. You already have everything you need within you for this practice, this day, and this life. As you inhale, sweep your arms out, around, and up. As you exhale, take your right hand down, leaning over to the right side. Stretch through the left fingertips. Relax the right shoulder. Inhale, sweeping to center. As you exhale, left hand down and stretch, stretch, stretch through your right side. Relax that left shoulder. Inhale, make your way back to center, reaching up. Exhale, hands to heart. And switch the cross of your legs. Sitting nice and tall again. Sweep your arms up, inhale. As you exhale, take your right hand to left knee, left hand behind. Sit tall, inhale. Exhale, twist. Looking over your shoulder, any amount. Create length with your inhale. Twist in, exhale. Inhale to unwind to center. Sweeping the arms up on your inhale. Exhale, left hand to right knee, right hand behind. Sit tall and lengthen, inhale. Exhale, roll that right shoulder back and twist. Each inhale creates length. Each exhale to twist. We'll be twisting, moving, stretching. Roll yourself to hands and knees, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale forward, bring the chest through, look up. Tuck your toes as you exhale, round the back, pull the belly in. Sit back on your heels. If it's too much, you can always come off. Inhale, come up, interlace fingers, reach up, relax the shoulders. Exhale, release, bring your hands back under the shoulders. Inhale, chest forward, look up, lift the tailbone up. Exhale, press away from the earth, pull your ribs and belly in, hips onto heels. Sweep those arms up, inhale, interlace other pinky in the front, reach up, exhale. Take a breath as you release. Bring your hands in front of your shoulders, about a handprint. Take your hips over toward the right heel, and then bring them forward toward the right wrist, and then to the left wrist, and back toward the left heel. Make a big circle. Now just move very fluidly. No perfection ever required. If you find a place you just want to stop, then do that. Stretch into what you like. When you're ready, start to switch directions. Just some nice, gentle movements for your hips, your shoulders, your head. There's really no right or wrong, as long as it feels good. Stretch back as you reach your arms forward. Spread your fingers wide. Come up onto the knees. Tuck the toes. Downward dog. Keep your knees soft for this one. And then start to bicycle the legs, but still keeping the knees soft. Let your head hang. Shake your head out a little bit. Moving slowly as you ease into stretching. Stretching through the spine. Draw the ribs and belly in gently. Keeping the knees soft, and then maybe start to stretch them out. Feet or hips width, arms or shoulders distance. From here, slowly walk your hands toward your feet or your feet toward your hands. Drop your buns down into Malasana. I love this pose. It stretches out your spine, I've heard it called waiting for the train pose. If it doesn't feel good on your knees, don't go down so low. Put your right hand down, inhale, reach the left arm up, and then just lazily swing it around. Watch your hand move as you make circles so that you can stretch your shoulder as well as your neck. Come to center, and we'll do the other side. Left hand down, right arm making lazy circles. Let your head just watch the movements. Gentle, gentle. Shoulders loosening. Neck is loosening. Come to center, stretching the spine and the hips. Walk yourself to downward facing dog again. Take a moment to stretch back. Let your head just go. Let it be long. Shake it out if you like. Now looking forward, walking the feet again to the hands. Inhale, halfway up, lengthen. As you fold, bend your knees and then fold forward. Keeping the knees bent, bring your hands to your hips, look up, and then come up with a nice flat back. All the way to the top of the mat, feet hips width and parallel. Inhale, sweep your arms out, around, and up. As you exhale, right hand to the right side of your body and stretch your left arm in line with your ear. Then inhale, look up at the left hand. Exhale, look down at the ground. Inhale, look to the sky. Exhale, look toward the earth. Inhale, make your way through center. Exhale, the left hand comes down and stretch out the right side. Inhale, looking up. And as you exhale, let the head look down toward the ground. Inhale, gentle movement, look up. Exhale, looking down. Come to center, reach up. Little back bend if you like, and hands to heart, samastitihi, which means steady balance, which you've got. Turn to the long side of the mat, feet parallel, legs nice and wide, toes in, hands to hips, look up, lengthen, inhale, hinge from your hip creases, hands to floor, exhale. Keep that length, inhale, stay, or fold forward any amount, exhale. Shift the weight slightly forward, and remember, it never matters how deep you get into a stretch. You can keep your knees soft as needed. If they're straight though, firm those muscles. Come halfway up, turning the right toes out, bend the right knee, and pull the left toes back. Option to reach your left arm up and over. You can keep both hands down. You could even sit on a block here. Now turn to the front of the mat, knee over ankle, back knee is down, pat it up as needed. As you exhale, fold forward, straighten the leg, pull the toes back. Inhale, rebend that knee just for a moment as you walk your hands to center, straightening the legs, toes pointed a little. Lengthen, inhale, and fold. You can keep your hands on the ground or grab your legs. Shifting the weight a little toward the balls of the feet. Imagine you have a giant beach ball and you're holding it between your inner thighs. Inhale, look up. Turning the left toes, walk toward the left foot, knee and toes in line, middle toes. Pull those right toes up and back. Stretching right arm over is an option. And keep it down to help you with your balance. Then turn to the back of your mat. As you bend the knee over the ankle, the back knee down, and just pause a moment, turn your head if you like. Start to straighten that front leg and fold for half splits. Stretching the hamstrings and never worrying about how deep. Bend the knee, walk, 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 walk. Your hands to the front of the mat, and then step it back to down dog. Stretch yourself back. Looking forward, just walking, and make your way to seated as you slowly lower onto your back. Bring your feet hips width apart, heels under knees, toes in. Inhale, lift into a gentle bridge. Keep the neck long. Exhale, lower down vertebra by vertebra. Now draw your belly in, lift your pelvic floor muscles up. Inhale, lift up again. Spiral your thighs down toward the earth. Lengthen your butt toward the backs of the knees. Exhale, lower one vertebra at a time. Hug the knees in. Rocking side to side. Low back gets a nice little massage. Now walk your feet as wide as the mat. Drop your knees over to your right. Look left. Inhale, center. Exhale, knees to the left. Look right. Windshield wipers. I love this one. Inhale, center. Exhale, knees to the left. Looking right. Inhale, make your way to center, head to center. And then exhale, knees to the left or to the right. Looking left. Oh, my left and rights. Come back to center, hugging the knees in. Lengthen your sitting bones toward the backs of your knees. Stretch out your legs. Feet flap open, arms away from your sides. Relax your shoulders, jaw. Just breathe. Our quote today, Ray Goforth says, there are two types of people who will tell you that you cannot make a difference in this world. Those who are afraid to try, and those who are afraid you will succeed. Quiet mind, quiet body, Shavasana, rest a moment. Deepen your breath. Make movements in your hands and feet. Inhale for a long stretch. Good morning stretch. Now bend your knees, roll onto your right side. Pause here. Honor yourself for showing up this morning and taking care of yourself. Good work today. Make your way up to a comfortable seat and bring your hands together in front of your heart. Hands to your forehead, reminding you to have clear and loving thoughts. Hands to your heart, reminding you to have clear and loving intentions. Hands to your mouth, reminding you to have clear and loving communication. Send this positive energy out to all beings everywhere. Namaste. Now take a moment, check in with your body. How do you feel right now? Who in your life could use this very feeling? I want you to share it with that person. Gotta share the love. Duke and I came to this beach. We've been coming here for years with the kids. It's a really special place for us. Now, your core muscles contain a very special part of you. It's your personal power center, your confidence, also known as your third chakra. Ignite your belief in yourself. I've created a special class just for you to build that strength. There's a link below and it's pinned at the top of the comments. Now keep this feeling going. Keep loving yourself with more morning yoga. Click the link right now on your screen.